Well, hello there, and welcome once again, everyone, to Michael's Munchies. Today, I have another Old Dutch potato chips, another one of their appetizers on the go. This one is the Korean barbecue street taco. So I'm not sure if they were thinking of making this and it kind of came out at the same time as the Lay's street tacos, or if they kind of made this in response to that, or what the deal is. But Lay's had a street taco as well for their flavor icons, and then now Old Dutch has one. So let's see how this one is. Okay, it doesn't. I can smell the Korean barbecue, but it's not super strong or anything. Not like the Lay's version was, and not like their other flavor was. The other Old Dutch one was, that had very strong scent. So, yeah, it's not very strong. I don't know. Okay. Again, it's kind of subtle. It's not very strong. That one tasted better. But yeah, it's not overwhelming. It's not, I don't know, it's not very exciting. Like, I can barely smell it. And it has a very, excuse me, crumbs in my throat. It has a very light taste, so I don't know. I was hoping for, okay, this one seems to have, it has a good deal of seasoning on it. Smells nice. Like I close my eyes and I eat it, and I can picture these tacos, and it tastes really good, and I think it tastes really close to what's pictured here. But I don't know, I'm not really blown away. I'm not very thrilled. It doesn't seem as exciting as the Lay's street tacos flavor. Yeah, because I think the other one was like just carnitas street taco, and this is a Korean barbecue street taco. So they're different flavors of street taco. Excuse me, but yeah, they taste really good, but it's just not. It doesn't seem like it has a lot of flavor, and it's kind of okay. Yeah, pretty good, Yeah. So all in all, I'd have to give this a 6, no more than a 7. It's gluten free though, so that's pretty nice. The other one wasn't. But yeah, it's not great. Unfortunately, it's not great. I don't know. If you find these, let me know what you think. Do you think it has enough flavoring? Do you get a real kick with it or anything? I know their barbecue pulled pork wraps had a lot of aroma, good scent, like a lot of flavor. So it was really great. These, barely any scent. And it's like just enough flavor. So it tastes like it, yeah, but it's kind of very mild. So, I don't know. Not too thrilled about it, but oh well. In any case, know what you think if you find them, and yeah, until next time, enjoy your food.